Guys, back again here with the A6, and it's got the problem that the passenger door won't open using the handle. When you reach in and try from the inside works fine, there's no issue, it opens fine. So I'm hoping the problem is with the handle. I'm going to try take the end cap off the handle and see if there's any adjustments that can be made. To do that, you just pop the little black cover off this T20 screw and that'll give you access to pull the handle out. This is the little black cover, just pops off, and then the T20. I don't even think you need to take this all the way out. We'll be wrong. Once you have the screw out, you might have to go around, work your way around with a pick and just pry this out, especially if it's never been out before, but it comes straight out. There's a rubber thing here which I kept a pick on as I worked my way around. Just don't lever into your paint. Okay guys, this door handle actually worked a bit different than I thought it would. So I have it sorted here. So when you pull it out, you can just see this little metal lever here. So if you pull this lever and your door opens, you know you have the same issue as me. But the issue I had was this bit of plastic here actually moves. This had come over and was like stopping the door handle. If you see there, it was stopping the door handle coming out. So I just had to send it back over. Now all you see there, by pushing your finger in and shoving it that way, you shove it back and you should be able to get the handle in and it should be able to come out properly. Now you're wondering, you might have an issue with getting that little metal thing sits in here. You mightn't be able to get it back on, because I wasn't. So what I ended up doing was I got this lace and shoved it in and hooked it onto it. I'm going to put the camera down for once. Okay, so I hooked the lace in around and then pull it. That'll open the door. Keep that pulled and let your handle, I can't do it now with no hands, but put your handle back in and on, and when you get the handle back in and on, you better just pull the lace out and it'll be in the right place. So hopefully that gives you an idea. Just to make it a bit clearer, I have this handle set up correctly now. Pulling that will open it. So the handle is sitting correctly now, it is went in and hooked back on, and then you can just pull your lace out. So just to make it, this bit of plastic, guys, this is the issue. This plastic had came over, you can see the two little prongs moving, and the handle had got caught up in it, so the handle wasn't able to pull out far enough. It was working fine from inside, it wasn't working at all from the outside. So hopefully if you have those symptoms, it'll give you an idea of how to go about fixing it.